Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. How is everyone? Finally, we made the TP again. Well, discipline and patience always pays. It is Friday. Remember, I want to review last 2 days of trading to give hands-on experience of discipline and patience. We lost our trade 2 days back and patiently waited for the next day and did not involve in revenge trading. The disciplined SOP saved our equity and kept us active in the market. This is needed. Save your equity and stay in the market. Profits comes later. The next day got this opportunity and finally hit the TP again. Alhamdulillah. Well, back to business. Today is Friday, a day of big changes. As we were observing the golden cross in H1, which is clear now. Secondly, price have gone well above major support 1903, the one at monthly Fibo level 38.2%. The time I'm writing this price is on SMA 44 support in H1. However, Stoch and RSI, the indicators are indicating south. So the buying area to me will be 1910 at 50% and 1913 at 38.2%. The possibilities of testing 1903 is there as today is Friday, provided the hawkish speech can do the damage. Well, let's see what this session brings for us. Well, a selling opportunity is there at again 19 and 21 area. If the price gets there because it's already on the support, we have the chance to get into sell from 1920 or 1921 area. That will be a good one to get into the sell trade. Well, let's see what happens. Good luck.